little while back, I designed and then built a 3-port dust collector switch for some of my woodworking machines. And while my video goes into how I built it, I never really got to show it working. So here's the switch, and here's the main vacuum line that goes to the dust collector. Here, and where my handle is attached. So in order to collect dust from the miter saw, we switch it here. Or the sander. Which I can manually switch to the bandsaw. And finally, the jointer. And to use any of the other machines in my shop, I just switch it to off.